Thanks for coming to David Wood's book launch of his first poetry, and I'm proud to say that I helped him print off and this wonderful piece of poetry. It's fantastic. I suggest that we all enjoy it and buy a copy. And you can also buy mine. I have 4 books, The War and Sleep. It's a collection of my poetry. And also Chameleon de Neuilly. It's short stories about life in France. And The Great Scroll of Ban Chao is actually my bestseller. It's a sci-fi dystopian thriller set in Ban Chao. And The Sweet in Me. It's a romantic comedy, and it's written like a journal. It's quite risque. Anyway. So tonight I was thinking about birds in cages and the idea of freedom, and the legislature and the Li Fa Yuan, you know, the students that gave up the other night. Oh well. And let's see here. So I'll start with, and also about the idea of, there are lots of foreigners here, so I thought I would go with the theme of the visa run. I have an ode to the visa run and a Motoche Song and some love poetry. I don't know if we'll get to that. Maybe something that has to do with government oppression. It's called Tanks for Everything. So that's the dealio for this evening. Let's see, what should I start with? Can you give a round of applause for my cleavage? All right. Let's see, where should we start? I'm going to start with the Hong Kong street signs. If I can find it. So, oh yeah, okay, here it is. Ode to the Visa Run. Ode to the Visa Run. Okay, here are names of businesses and places and advertising slogans I collected from traveling around the culturally bankrupt shopping hinterland of Hong Kong during a Visa Run. Fortunately, I don't have to do those anymore because I'm married to Taiwanese people. Taiwan people. Yeah. Anyway, so around town, these are signs, okay? Around town this weekend, dull? Not here. Come discover. Welcome to our luxury, sexy show, the Bank of East China. China Merchants Commercial Building, Shanghai Industrial Investment Building, South Sea Center Super Tycoon Club. Welcome to play cards. Managing wealth for you with you. Money exchange, money exchange, money exchange. Eat, drink, and party in Hong Kong. B.O. restaurant and wine bar. It sounds like the other customers don't smell very good. A chance at play is a chance at life. Fortress Digital. Broadband to go. Beware of vehicle. Limousine to China. Caesar made in Italy. Peninsula Center. Private car park. Pleasant Palace. Whoa. Shopping arcade. Mega Tea House. Star Guest House. Ice House. Siberian Fur Store, New White Stay Moose, Goodyear Perfume Center, Brilliant Frozen Food Market, Queen Cake, We Guide You Lead, MCP My Changing Place, No Pet, No Brand, Regal Fashions, Tune Your Run, Gold Sands Custom Made Suit, Recursive something, I don't know what it is, Incredible Shop, Hair Lose Treatment Center, Noble Sauna, Good Health Dispensary, expose you to Las Vegas style. Manhop Speed Co. Queen Street. Goods of Desire. Yan Yik Hong. Tin Yak Cock. Think Big. Instruments for Professionals. Gala Jewelry Co. Jargon Foreign Exchange. Printing and Coping. Pine Collection. Beauty in parentheses. Convey ad here, Steak Expert, Tanka Sport Outlet, Technical Diving Adventure, Top Hair, Pro Beauty and Fashion, Posh Office Furniture, Genius E-Ray Medical Laboratory, Sugar Street, Versailles Lamps, Boss Lighting Slope Registration Number, Highways Department, Landfill Property Agency Chinese Recreation Club. It sounds like there's maybe some torture involved there. Bayview Mansion, Comfort Heights, Viking Villas. We're now in Central Regal HK Hotel, Island Shopping Center, dining, fashion, trend style, beauty, Luck Fook jewelry. What the fox say? Easy Service Banking Center, the HK Jockey Club, Academy of Modern Pet, Limited. Waiting vehicle will be prosecuted without warning. Powerflex, way out. That was my favorite sign. That one, and where's the fucking airport out of this place? Tainali, Airport Tainali, out of Hong Kong. Okay, the Motoche Song. This is it's about driving a scooter to Taiwan. And there was a sense of freedom when I first came to Taiwan like 12 years ago. And as a foreigner, they would all you had to do if you came across a police block is just lift your visor, and they would say "Hadoga" and let you through. But now things are a little bit more difficult. But I wanted to remind everybody about the wonderful freedoms that we used to have as a motorcyclist or scooter driver. Motoche Song. My beloved Motoche is named Betsy, so get your ass on the road, bitch. I know you like it. You like to be on the road. I want to come back and still have a full tank of gas. Ja-oo, jam on. Jo-oo, fill her up. Jam on, jam on. We're jamming, jam on, jamming. Hope you like jamming to Jayo at the Jayo John. Oh yeah. I'm surprised things don't fly in my eyes more often. I'm surprised there aren't more holes in the road. Should consider myself lucky to make it home, still alive with no broken bones. Saddled in my city pony, speeding dangerously fast in Taiwan. It feels good to race with impunity through a red light. Passing people stopped so patiently, now behind, till you catch up in time, what time you would have lost waiting at a stoplight. They don't know what it feels like to speed up at the sight of a red light. Feel the adrenaline up, speed up, and leave them all behind so unsuspectingly. They don't remember that in fact, there are no roadblocks in life. There's nothing ever blocking your road, and you should only buy a one-way ticket to anywhere you ever go. Why wait at an intersection on a cold and rainy Taiwanese winter night? Don't you remember back home? No cop, no stop. Who can beat you across the bridge to Banchow now with your 50cc? Yeah. Even if you see me going through your surveillance cameras one after another, how can you stop me with a foreigner's registration and California ID? Hey. If you stop me, what would you do? Practice your English? Wouldn't you too rather race across town, across the finish line just in time, evading the fine by just another moment in time? These are not thoughts you haven't had one time or another in your mind. Hey. Yeah. Dear China, this is my friends and I, mostly me, right? Okay. I wrote a letter to China. Okay. Dear China, but I also got input from a couple Taiwanese friends for this. Okay, dear China, we want a divorce, please. Well, I'm going to start again. Dear China, we want a divorce, please. But we've never been married to you in the first place. Damn it, China, we will not be married together, nor willed, nor ruled upon. And as for marriage, you know how it is. If you don't want to marry a Chinese man, come to Taiwan, Lee. And we have all these single women in Taiwan with no husbands. And so fine. We love you dearly, but not queerly, China. But we concern. The problem is we ain't gonna suck up to you no more. Because we got more expertise in the global capitalist environment and the global capitalist economy. We do it better than you, and that's why we're called Greater China. We got more important things to do, and we got more pride too. In fact, we could learn you real good, China, a couple things like invasion is a bad habit. Lose face economy or just habit is reason. Keep in mind, China, that Taiwan, our Formosa, is not a Chinese island. Why don't you learn our culture? Why don't you learn from our example? We have events. We are an event culture. But remember, China, we're all the same, bitch. Come to Taiwan, not a one, but we're Chinese, but we're not part of the PRC. It's the ROC, but that's just a formality. Off the coast of Red China, the first republic in Asia. It's not part of the DPP or the KMT or the PFP. It's Taiwan now. Get it? Got it? Good. We are all part of Aboriginal, and that is the reason we don't belong to China at all. It's an Aboriginal island encroached upon so many times by China. Oh, big red brother. You're like an abusive lover, stalking us long after the bad relationship's over. But throughout history, Taiwan, our Lila Formosa, beautiful island, was and is an escape from your oppressive culture, your totalitarian society. Japanese protected us from your terrible influence. To Taiwan came the pirates, wanting Guanling to our savage island. Welcome to the renegade province of ill international repute and eternal dispute. When we pave paradise, we'll think of you, China. Did the trip good? My butthole. Kiss it, China. Just kidding. Haha. China, go home. Big hug from your better-looking cousins, Taiwan. Okay. I'll keep on moving on. This is again. I'm not going to do that because we probably don't have enough time. How much time do I got? I don't know. Okay. Do that to me one more time, right? China? Okay, let's see. I'll show it one. Okay, thanks for everything. This is a KMT protest. Thanks for everything. Why does it always rain when something interesting should be happening? Just when you thought you couldn't forget anything else. Forget your flags. Forget the irony of having a sign that says, impeach now, but you're in the wrong country. Your country left you. Your country. Your country. What, like, why are you, apostrophe, are your country? Save your own democracy. I said mine's already dead. I hope it pours, she said. Let it rain down on them. Gamxia, xixie. Enjoy. Thank you.
Okay, we end your 3 minutes.